First of all, just I will introduce myself. I am Dr.K.Boopathy. I have completed MA Industrial Engineering from Kumaruru College of Technology, and also I have completed a PhD in Mechanical Engineering. In my research topic is the investigations on tool life enhancement of a tungsten carbide turning insert for manufacturing industry. I am having more than 18 years in teaching experience for various engineering colleges. Since 2014 onwards, I am working in Excel Engineering College, nearly 10 years. Okay, today we will discuss about elements of cost. Yeah, what do you mean by cost? Any idea? Yeah, cost may be defined as a system of accounts which systematically and accurately records in every expenditure in order to determine the cost of product. Why I am choosing this topic means if you are producing in any product means cost is one of the important factor and also essential factor. So only I will select these topics. It involves material cost, labor cost and expenses. Material cost. It is further classified into two types: direct material and indirect material. Direct material is that material which becomes a part of the product. Example, steel or wood. Steel is used for making manufacturing of shaft. Wood is used for making chair, tables, etc. The second, indirect cost. Indirect cost which cannot be traced as a part of the product. It is a material for maintaining and operating of the plant and the equipment. Example, lubricant, cotton waste, grease, coolant. These are all the various examples for indirect material. The second one, labor cost. The second important cost is the labor cost. It is also further classified into two types, that is direct labor and another one is the indirect labor. Direct labor is it includes machine shop, welding shop, directly employed in the manufacturing of operation. That cost is the labor cost, direct labor cost. Indirect means non-productive staff. Example of foreman, supervisor, storekeeper, gatekeeper. These are the indirect expenses. In the third one is the expenses. Apart from the material cost and the labor cost is the expenses cost. Expenses apart from material and labor cost in each factory. Actually, expenses also further classified into direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses means it is known as chargeable expenses. That is the specific cost of unit. Example, cost of special jigs and fixtures. And then indirect expenses. Indirect expenses are known overhead charges, burden on cost. In indirect cost, it includes factory cost, administration cost, selling cost, distribution. For example, factory cost means rent and rates. And then administrative cost means salaries of cost. Selling cost means advertising. Distribution cost means loading and unloading, packing. These are all the comes under the indirect expenses. Actually, the total cost means direct expenses, indirect expenses, direct cost, and then labor cost, expenses. These are all the includes cost is the total cost. Okay, thank you.